Hello guys, today we will learn how to use Amazon FBA and what are the benefits of Amazon FBA. So let's first search what is Amazon FBA. So on the Amazon website it says let Amazon pick, pack and ship your orders. That means Amazon will pick, pack and ship our orders that we wanna sell into the other world. Okay, so what it says, frequently asked questions. What is fulfillment by Amazon FBA? Fulfillment is the process of storing, packing and shipping orders as well as handling, returns and exchanges. Effective, reliable e-commerce fulfillment delights customers. With FBA, you can send your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers and we pick, pack and provide customer service for those products. So it says with FBA you can send your products to Amazon fulfillment centers. Like in some countries there are Amazon warehouses where you send your product up there, they pick it, they pack it and then they ship it and provide it to your customers. What it says limited time offer, try FBA and get free shipping, returns and more. Okay. Amazon's new selection program offers free promotion clicks on ads, free shipping to fulfillment center, free storage, free removals and free return processing conditions applies. And then it says save time and help grow your business with FBA. You sell it, we ship it. Amazon has one of the most advanced fulfillment networks in the world. With fulfillment by Amazon FBA, you store your product in Amazon's fulfillment centers and we pick, pack, ship and provide customer service for these products. FBA can help you scale your business and reach your more customers. Okay, so this is how you get started with FBA. So it's step-by-step guide. First step is like set up FBA. Create your Amazon selling account and log into Seller Central to set up FBA. Okay. Step 2 is create your product listing. Once you have added your product to the Amazon catalog, specify FBA inventory. Alright. Then it says prepare your products. Prepare your product for safe and secure transportation to a fulfillment center according to Amazon's packing guidelines and shipping and routing requirements. Step number 4. Ship your products to Amazon. Create your shipping plan, print Amazon shipment ID labels and send your shipments to Amazon fulfillment centers. Learn more about sending inventory to Amazon. So let's go to the step number 1. It says set up FBA. This means create your Amazon selling account and log into Seller Center to set up FBA. Alright, let's create Amazon selling account first. It says how to start selling on Amazon. Whether you have already got established e-commerce business, a great idea for a new product, or you just have a passion for selling, here's how you take that next step with Amazon. Okay. Read the beginner's guide to sell on Amazon. Now leave it. Before you start, with the individual plan, you will pay $0.99 every time you sell an item. Okay. The professional plan costs $39.99 per month, no matter how many items you sell. For both plans, Amazon also collects a referral fee on each sale. Alright, which is percentage of the total transaction and varies by product category. Visit our pricing page for a summary of selling fees. So what it says consider your selling strategy. Resellers find popular products that already exist and offer them in Amazon stores. Okay. Brand owners manufacture their own product or source goods to sell under a private label to offer shoppers unique selection. And then it says lots of sellers do both. You can choose whichever method works for your goals. If you plan to sell your own brand on Amazon, We have lots of resources and tools to help. Okay, and then it says create an Amazon seller account, business email address for Amazon, customer account, chargeable credit card, government ID, tax information, phone number. So let's create Amazon seller account. Up here it asks you your email address and password, then you can create it. Let's go back and check for the other requirements. You can also go to the mobile, adding your products, product categories. Alright, so let's see product categories. Categories without restrictions. First one is Amazon device accessories. Amazon devices accessories. Conditions new used. Amazon Kindle devices accessories used. Beauty. Fragrance, skincare, makeup, hair care, bath and shower. Topical required approval. See also health and personal care. And then it says books, calendar, card decks, sheet, music, magazines, journal, other publications. Up next we have business products, B2B. Then we have beauty and tool accessories, camera and photo, cell phones, clothing and accessories, electronics accessories, fashion jewelry, grocery, home and garden, luggage and travel accessories. We have musical instruments. Down there then we have office products, outdoors, shoes, handbags and sunglasses, software and computer games, sports, tool and home improvement, toys and games, video games and video game consoles. Alright, my favorite category. Then category with restrictions, let's see. Alcohol, you can't sell alcohol. Then animal related products, see animal and animal related products, restrictions on seller central. Okay, you can't sell that. Automotive and power sports, can't sell. Baby products, topical food feeding products, diapers, strollers, carriers, toys. Conditions allowed. Okay, simple conditions allowed. Alright, so if it's new then you can sell it. Certified refurbished, see Amazon and new. Collectible coins, cosmetics, dietary supplements, drugs and drug pharmaceutical and drug paraphernalia. So these are some products: handmade, health and personal care. What is handmade? Handmade and hand-related altered products. See Amazon handmade. Alright, let's go for there. Okay, why handmade? At Amazon, we obsess our customers and their desire for a trusted destination for handcrafted goods, which is what prompted us to start Handmade. Artisans of our 80 countries are following their passion and selling their craft on Amazon. Together, we are growing craft communities and successful business. Artisan only. We have an artisan application and audit process to ensure we are building a shop of genuine handcrafted goods. No hidden fees. Joining Handmade, creating your shop and listing products is free. When we make a sale, Handmade will deduct a 15% referral fee. Alright. Custom profile. Your artisan profile has a custom URL to make it easy for customers to find your shop. Okay, G, ready to join. Okay, frequently asked questions. Who can sell on Handmade? The Handmade store is available for artisans to sell their handcrafted products to millions of Amazon customers all over the world. Amazon uses an application process to add new artisan to handmade category to ensure customers are able to buy with confidence. Okay.